do the procedure of the pediculosis treatment. Okay, and some of them actually this procedure after when she has to do the shampooing means actually if it is when it will have the effective means overnight. If it's left for overnight, then only it will be work in effective way. Otherwise, nowadays we are not having that much patience to wait for the overnight. At least 2 to 3 hours she has to wait. After that, she can go for the bath. Okay, bath compulsory. She has to do the bath thoroughly. Okay, we have to change the linen, whatever we are using for this one. Anyway, it not infected. There may be chances to infest the spreading the all the pediculosis and all. That is the reason we have to change the linen. We have to keep into the bucket. Okay, already has kept like a carbolic acid. Okay, to prevent to destroy all the pedicular lice and nicks also. Okay, and after that we have